Hi everyone, my name is Amanda Saab and I'm here to share some of my favorite Ramadan recipes. Today we're going to be making chicken caprese pasta. It's really easy, delicious, and healthy. Let's get started. We're going to start with some olive oil, and this is the base of our sauce as well, so you want to use quality oil in here. Next we're going to add our minced garlic. And once that's really nice and fragrant, we'll add in our chicken. In the meantime, you want to boil your pasta. And if you get your pasta ready as you're making your chicken and your sauce, everything will come together so nicely. And now that our garlic is starting to sizzle, I'm going to add my chicken breast into the pan. I love using chicken breast. It's a nice lean cut of meat, and it really picks up the flavors that you're trying to capture in your dish. So add that in here. Just give them space. You want everything to have space to cook. And I'm going to add my seasoning. And for my seasoning, I kept it really simple with salt, white pepper, and ground oregano. We're gonna also get a lot of flavor from the fresh basil. That's where the caprese comes in. So we're gonna add this in and let that sizzle up really nice until the chicken is golden. Another tip for this recipe is you really want to cook your pasta till al dente, which means it still has a bite. You don't want mushy noodles in your dish. So after just about 2 minutes, our chicken is starting to brown, so I'm going to flip it over so we can brown the next side. And at this point in time, I'm going to add my cherry tomatoes. I love the flavor of fresh tomatoes in this recipe, and I have 1 pint of cherry tomatoes here. In just a few minutes, our whole meal will come together nicely. So next I'm going to add our mozzarella pearls. I have 15 ounces of this. We're gonna add our pasta, and don't even think about draining your pasta. The pasta has natural starches, and we added salt to the water, so it's adding an additional layer of seasoning to our dish. Now I'm just going to pour in some of that pasta water. And I love to just twirl my noodles into like these small little nests, just to make it look really nice and beautiful. And to finish off our chicken caprese pasta, we're going to top it, of course, with fresh basil. I hope you'll give this recipe a try. Thank you so much for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you next week.